news! I am under the weather right now, and I also need some cough medicine. Excuse me, people. Not feeling too good. And also, more recent news. The cat has escaped the pen. And by that I mean Mr. Cat out. Hello? No, silly, that's not Mr. Cat. Oh, why am I being used so much? As you can see, the road is clear as usual. And something's going to happen to me, like a swarm of bees coming towards me, or a car coming towards me. What is coming towards me? Oh, a kitten. Wait, that's not a kitten. That's a baby puma. Yeah. Well, Gibson, help! What? There's a baby puma that looks ferocious coming towards me. Don't worry, I know what to do. You happy now? Yep. Good.